Okay, so we did an earlier video on sigma notation, but now we're going to connect it to a formula in arithmetic sequences about the sum of an arithmetic sequence. So there's two formulas in arithmetic sequences, and the one we're looking at is the second one, which is very useful. We're going to make a connection. So in the previous video, we had the sum of from n equals 1 to n equals 6, so this 4n minus 2, so the t1, t2, t3, t4, t5, t6. Again, the pattern goes up by 4 because that's the coefficient out there. And so when we added the numbers up, we got 72. So you don't need to copy that down because you've done that before, but come across when you're ready. So what we're going to do is make this connection with this formula that we've derived in arithmetic sequences that are APs. And what all we have to do is we have to find the number of terms, the first number and the last number, the number of terms, the first number, the last number, and then we don't have to find all the different 6 terms or 8 terms or 10 terms. We just have to find 2 terms, the first and the last, and how many terms there were. So copy that and come across. Okay, so in the previous one, we knew this answer was 72. So all we have to do is find the first term and the last term, which was 2 and 22 by substitution. Now, how many terms there are? Well, if it's going from the first term to the 6th term, there are 6 terms. We'll do another one later where the number doesn't start with 1, but there are 6 terms, and so the formula is n on 2, first plus last. And so instead of having to find 6 terms, we just do this calculation, and the answer 72 comes out a lot easier. Okay, so copy that and come across, and we'll do one together. Okay, so we've got another one. This time we're starting at n equals 3 and we're going to n equals 8. I think this might have been the same example as the last time. So how many terms between 3 and 8? So if you just go 8 minus 3 equals 5, you're actually 1 term short. You know, if you use your fingers and go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there are actually 6 terms. So the trick is to find n, you go the top number, 8, minus the bottom number, 3, and you always add 1 to make sure that you haven't lost one of the numbers. Okay? So there are 6 terms. Like for instance, on the previous one, it went from 6 to 1, and then you add 1 to get your 6 back again. Okay, so the first number is when n equals 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1 equals 5, and when n equals 8, 2 8s are 16, 16 minus 1 is 15, and so this one will be, so sum of 6 numbers will be 6 on 2, first plus last, so it's 3 times 20, so the answer is 60. Okay, so this new way, we can now do all these sigma questions with a shortcut using the new formula from the sum of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, that's it. Bye.